Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where you can check your ad setting. But first I wanted to say that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I will reveal my YouTube revenue statistics. So let's start. First go to your Snapchat. After that click on your profile. After that click on the settings, scroll down, and in the who can section here you can see the ads. Click on that, and here you have to setting the ad preferences. You have choices about how Snap and its third-party ad partners use information about you for advertising purposes, both on and off Snapchat. Here you have three options: the audience based, the activity based, and third party ad networks. So you can turn that on and off. And if you want to turn that off, it says that you will still see a similar number of ads if you disable this feature, but those ads may be less relevant to your interest. All right. So you can turn that on and off, and here you can read all the information about these types of ads, and you can see the learn. You can click on the learn more option, where you have a lot of information about that, and you can choose what type of ads you would like to see in Snapchat. Okay, and the other one is the lifestyle and interests. And it says that Snapchat infers your interest to better suggest content to you and personalize your experience. So here is a lot of options like hip hop music fans, rock music fans, business news watchers, world travelers, frequent flyers, philanthropists, and so on and so forth. A lot of them. And you can select uh, those of your interest, and in the bottom of the screen here is the ad topics. These topics are based on feedback about the ad experience. You can choose to see fewer ads about these topics, like political and advocacy, alcohol, and gambling. So you can turn that on and off, of course. So this is for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. Bye bye.